DVD.
Oh.
PlayStation. There you go. I can see that much.
Oh yeah. Oh, come on, please.
That's good.
That's silver, and this is N64. Oh, come on, be a good game. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back here with part 3 of this $3,701 and $1.10 storage unit. We've gotten this far. We're loading. The rain has just screwed us off, and we're continuing on right as we left off. Let's get to it. Don't forget the like button, share button, subscribe, and say something pretty like, I love 21 zipper bags. Remember the 21 zipper bag, Uncle Mike?
Yeah. It's a nice foam piece.
Nope, I'd say that this is just stuff. No. Oh, Steelers. They didn't like good football teams either, did they? Like the 49ers. Been a lot of book boxes in this so far, just like this one. Yep. Can you save that white box that's all wet there? Can you save that white box of nice glass that's getting wet there? Got a lot of computer games. I don't know much about this. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to... I don't know. If they're a PS2, it'd be all on like Donkey Kong. NES games. Okay. Records. Star Trek board game. Computer parts, games, and wires. Come on, change jars. We saw you early in the day. Let's... Oh, what is this? A scanner, books, computer. Okay.
Are these movies or DVDs?
Oh.
PlayStation. There you go. I can see that much.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we like these. We got Wallace and Grimm, Soul Calibur. Ooh, that looks like a good one there.
There's a Disney.
Oh, nice. Champion.
These are all games.
These are not all games, but a portion of them are. But they're good games, though. These are ones that you don't hear of very often.
Are they in there? This is glance.
Go ahead.
I'm just curious. One's in there. Well, one's in there. They're all in there. There's one in there.
You see, there's a lot of these are not video games, too, though.
These are all PlayStation now.
Yeah, these are.
All those are.
Ooh, what's that, Uncle Michael? You don't recall that?
No.
Oh, look at that. I'd say this is a whole box of cool stuff, though.
I do too.
Pencil ink.
Why would you like do not drop books?
I don't know. All that for nothing. A lot of junk. I want to see something exciting.
That's cool. Yeah, A&W.
Yeah. Find me something exciting, Uncle Michael. A box of jewelry. An NES in the original box. Ripping and tearing. Almost look cool. Different feels. Any good ephemera? Or is it just regular personal ephemera? Okay, that's kind of cool.
Again, this is a box that we can...
We'll give this back to her. Dollar store paperweight. Books. Whole box of puzzles. I'll gotta look those up. I don't think that there's much value in puzzles.
New puzzles, that's a good thing. What's one called going on? Pandemic.
That's kind of cool. Danbury mint. A couple boxes of those would be real nice. That's a decent looking book there. What is it? It's the Holy Bible. Wow.
Bible, isn't it?
Yeah, from the 1800s though.
Nice.
That is neat. We'll just set that aside. That'll probably end up on the auction. Dope books. Photo albums. It's all books. Ah. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
This guy.
Oh, that's Captain Picard. Jean-Luc Picard. But then, like, doesn't even look like good things. No more good books. Wow. I've never seen one that does that. Okay. Okay. CDs. Oh, come on, please.
That's good.
We're gonna save this for a minute. I gotta think about that. What's this? Oh, China. These are good. All right, save this in a good spot. What kind? It says product steam buggy. Okay, it's probably just a steaming machine.
No, it is.
Okay. Oh, what is this? Cups? This is not as important though. I don't think. Let's see. This looks kind of cool. Oh, okay.
What?
All right, let's see. Do we have silver? Whoo, come on.
Oh, baby.
1, 2, 3.
Smoke my glove. Bless you.
I don't think there's silver in here, Uncle Mike. That's a bummer.
Nice little salt pepper.
Those aren't even silver either. Bummer. That would have been nice. That would have helped pay for this unit. Nothing silver. Sad. I was excited there for a minute, guys. My heart was pacing. Adrenaline rushing. So far, I think we might have made like, we might have like about $1,000
These glasses at home?
lease back. Records that have very minimal value. Uncle Michael, I don't know if you can handle this one, but it's heavy. All right, Lord of the Rings, Lord of the Rings, Lord of the Rings. Nice. It's a handful of games here. Great movie. Goblin King, oh Goblin King, wherever you may be, take this baby far away from me. Okay, Narnia. Action replay. We're going to have to do a little bit of research on the game. It is?
Yeah.
Wow. Oxford Collegiate Dictionary. Ooh. It's empty.
Yeah.
That was a PSP. Anything under the blanket? No.
Look at it a little deeper. Sure.
No. Belt for Michaela. More junk records. Let me see.
Those are 45.
See, these might be different. They're not. The 78s almost never have value. This is not what you want to see in a storage unit. Pittsburgh trivia. Should send that to Doug.
I was thinking too.
All puzzles.
Yep.
Oh, wow. This is puzzling. A royal. It could be some $75 right there.
I got to stop. We got this guy. We're golden.
What? Oh. I was hoping that'd be like a gun safe or something. Super Bowl champion Steelers. That's kind of neat. Carnival glass. Ooh, nice, cute.
Boy. A sweater.
Is that jewelry?
Where are you seeing jewelry?
Keep digging. You don't see that?
Right there I do.
Interesting.
You pull it all off without breaking it.
Not all of it. There's some more pieces there. Just hold on a second. Very hard to film on holding two cameras at one time. This looks like a fair amount of pieces of necklaces here, which is odd. Very odd. Looks like pearls with gold. We'll just pull all that off. Who packs like this? Your pack like that?
Yeah, not mine. That's a nice piece.
If it's not yours. Look at that. Okay. This is silver.
Titans.
It would have been nice if that was gold, huh?
Yeah, that would have been. So could you use it? The rest is closed.
That's silver, and this is fake. All right. That is nice right there, though. Jess probably gonna want that one.
What?
Jess will probably want that one.
No, don't even show her.
Why?
We're trying to get rid of it.
So real quick, this one's in bad shape, but I have seen one that's sold for $850, and it looks like there's a lot of these for sale. This one could be $1,000 phonograph and something to save our butt. Thread. Stereo. This is a bunch of crap so far. That is neat. No. Ooh, N64. Oh, come on, be a good game. Be a good N64 game. Oh, Gauntlet Legends.
Good work, Joe.
Pretty good. What do you do watching?
Yeah, we buy it. Oh, you're the auctioneer?
Not really a guy, but I thought you were like the
Take the stuff and do whatever. Hopefully we find money in gold.
Ooh, N64. Okay, that's in neat shape. You're supposed to tell him you're famous, Uncle Michael, and to go watch you on YouTube. What happened to that old chestnut? That's what he usually does. You can watch me on here. So this is a minor jackpot. Quest 4 Gauntlet and Gauntlet Legends, and then for some reason they have 2 of those. I don't know what those, but I used to like Gauntlet. Anyway, that's a cool little jackpot.
Not that no more. Here's your pens.
Steelers, garbage. No.
You need some nice work shoes.
We're just looking for certain things. Scunchies, hair scunchies. No, those are not. Yeah, $3,700 for puzzles.
There's different things on it.
Oh,
Go sit in the bathroom and just shoot the shit.
tight. All right, guys, we got a handful of stuff left to go. I'm gonna make that a wrap on this video. Don't forget the like button, share button, subscribe, and say something pretty.